forget takeout. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious vegetable fried rice, and you will absolutely love it, and your friends will love it, and your family will love it. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Lily's Food and Cooking channel. Now let's get straight into the cooking. In a hot pan, add some oil, add your onions, bay leaves and some cinnamon. Make sure you wash your rice thoroughly before you add it in there. Now mix it properly so that it blends with the flavors of the cinnamon and the bay leaves and the onions. Then add in a tablespoon of salt. Now you use 1 part rice and 2 parts water ratio. So with that you can use it for anything. Let it cook on a medium heat and then simmer for at least 5 minutes, and then switch off the heat. So you mix it in nice properly, and yes, please put it aside and let it cool completely. Yes, as we keep going, I'm going to let you know the secret to the best rice preparation. So yes, now we cut our vegetables right here. Now for this recipe, we are using fresh ingredients. I have some carrots, I have some red bell pepper, I have some onions, some green pepper, some red bell pepper. While I chop these veggies, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It really helps my channel grow so that I can bring you more of the delicious, amazing recipes which I have in store for you. Thank you. Now I like to chop my veggies nice and small so that they blend well with the rice and cook fast. Now you can use any veggies that you have in your fridge. That's the beauty of this dish. Some green beans, some carrots, some onions, some red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, some corn, some green pepper, and some soy sauce and smoked paprika, and cold rice. Now here is the secret to perfect fried rice, lovely people. Cold rice. Now if you use hot rice, it will become mush in the vegetables, and it will not fluff up properly. So it's always better to use cold rice. Now this is how we get those perfect separate grains. Now into a hot pan with some oil, we go in with our onions and garlic first. Oh, smell that aroma. You just want to sweat these until they are fragrant. Now add in the carrots and the beans. These take longer to cook, so they go in fast. Then you go in with your green pepper, with your yellow pepper and your red pepper. Now we want them to stay a little bit crunchy. Nobody likes soggy fried rice. Now you add in your paprika or your cumin, whichever spice that you can't do without in your food, you add it in right there. I also used 2 beef cubes. Feel free to use chicken cubes or even to do without. Now lastly, I added my corn because it's a bit too soft and fragile. It goes in last. Okay, now the veggies are looking bright and beautiful. We go in with our cold rice. Now try to mix it vigorously with the vegetables so that the vegetables don't stay down. So you mix it there nice properly, and if you put your rice in the fridge, please at this point break it up. Now I'm adding soy sauce for that beautiful brown color and that salty flavor. Oh, so nice. Okay, now keep the heat high and keep moving it. We are trying to make fried rice and not steam it. Now at this point, if your veggies have mixed properly with the rice, you switch off the gas so that it doesn't burn. Add in some coriander for garnishing or spring onions. Yes. Oof, our rice is looking so delicious, and guys, it's really delicious. Oof, look at how beautiful and colorful this is. A meal fit for the whole family, and they'll keep asking for more. Now, thank you so much for watching, lovely people. Now, try this recipe for your friends and family and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Bye.